What is a savings calculator? Savings calculators are useful financial planning tools. They are used by many people whether they are just starting out in life, or if they are already on their way to retirement. It can also help you to weigh up the pros and cons of investments. Do you need a savings plan to reach your financial goals? Saving money might seem like a difficult thing to do. There are a lot of factors that play into it, including how much you earn, how much debt you have, and how much you spend each month. This is why we've created a savings calculator that will help you figure out how much money you need to save to reach your financial goals. Check out the link in the video description. Whether you want to buy a house or travel the world, this calculator will take into account your current pay, how much debt you have, and how much you can spend without getting yourself into trouble financially. What is the best way to save money? When it comes to saving money to help reach your financial goals, most people have the same question: how much should I be saving? The answer depends on a variety of factors, including the amount of debt you have, your current income, and your financial goals. Spending less than you make is a great way to get back on track. The first step to getting started with your savings is to figure out how much you can afford to save. Most people know that in order to reach any kind of financial goal, it takes a lot of time and it takes self-control. This is where a savings calculator can help. With a savings calculator, you can plan your financial future and reach financial milestones faster. The best thing about a savings calculator is that it helps you to plan your financial future while you're working towards your goals. Why is it important to have a savings account? Saving money for the future is a great way to provide a good life for yourself and your family, but very few actually know when to start saving and how much of their income to save. In order to help people set savings goals and plan their financial future, we've created a free savings calculator. It's a tool that helps you plan your financial future based on how much you can save per month, and how much of that money you want to invest. Check out the link in the description for more info.